providing a backbone to most of the businesses in the world. With new emerging needs every day, we at HD Wire, with our years of practice, have always focused on what's now and what's new. Located in the heart of India, in its most vibrant and cleanest city, Indore, HD Wires is a state-of-the-art production facility with the machines that guarantee most detail-oriented products with no errors. Prepared to win over corrosion and fight strongly against moisture and other adverse conditions, these galvanized wire ensure a smooth and elegant finish. Our heart beats for striving to be the best in the business, and this passion of ours has served us righteously, as the trust of our customers has made us stand on the paradigm of this industry. With the most dependable wires and steel products that any business can ask for, our numerous range of products has always stood up to commitment and the needs of the clients. Been served with a number of quality, durability, rating-based certifications and awards. We pride ourselves to be one of those with the best intention to contribute and to make the Make in India project of our government one of the most successful revolution for the Indian economy. Monitoring and quality testing are roles that are sworn by our professionals to be executed with fine detailing and rechecking. From raw material to final product, we ensure only the best and the needful is provided for the production. With our BIS approved labs that execute UTS testing and the resistivity testing, we produce wires that not only serve our customers for the near future but even the forthcoming generations. Representing the Indian-built quality in the global market, our reputation as an exporter of GI wire, rope wire, binding wire and spring steel, the result of our pure and committed efforts. With the aim to contribute more and more to this cycle of economy and to the Make in India initiative, we at HD Wires are determined and motivated to make a revolution in the industrial world by reaching for new, better and higher standards. We'd like to take you along. Come, let's explore on this cycle of modern day economy together.